Welcome to Choke Adventures. On this video, I'm gonna dedicate this rock to our fallen heroes. To start, I just drew with a pencil, just a vague drawing of what I want to do, and then to do the painting, I will just make it as we go. So again, this rock is dedicated to our fallen heroes. Personally, I don't think there is anything that we can do to repay for our freedom, for our democracy, and everything that this beautiful country has to offer to everyone. And I am so grateful to be here in the United States. It's very, very valuable to me. I was not born in the United States, as you can tell by my English. I came here to the United States when I was 21. I never served military service to the United States, but always when I see people that they have served or a veteran, I give them thanks for their service. I love to listen to their stories, and on this day I want to commemorate this rock to the fallen heroes on this Memorial Day. They cannot tell their stories anymore, but we can keep them alive by keeping our freedom, by remembering them. Remember that they have fought and gave their life for us. So what I started on this rock, I started with the light blue. I just mixed blue and white, and then I mixed the paints on the rocks. Maybe it's not the best method, but I learned by myself. Nobody taught me how to paint, and it's a process that you're still learning. This is my way of doing it. If you have a better way of doing it, please let me know. I never went to school to do painting. I just love to do drawings and paintings and art and crafts. So I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing and activating the bell so you can receive an announcement on my next video. For the flag, I just used a blue paint and I mixed a little bit of black and blue to make the dark waves on the flag, because my intention here is to make the flag on the air and at the same time is waving through the air. And again, I just used some dark paint to do the shadows. For the lines, I just use basic red paint and white paint. The colors that I use again are basic. There's black, white, blue, and red. Those are the only colors that I use. They're very basic. If you have any questions regarding this rock, how I did it, or anything at all, leave it in the section below. I'm gonna leave the description of the paints and other stuff that I use for my art and craft on the description of this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive an announcement of my next video. I hope I will see you on my next video. And in here I made a little mistake, but as you can see, it can be corrected really easily. I just use a dry paper towel and then wipe it off and just leave it like that so it can dry, so then you can repaint the same color as it was before. Bienvenidos a Choice Adventures. En este video estoy haciendo esta piedra dedicada a todos los héroes caídos que han luchado por la guerra aquí en Estados Unidos y también en otros países. Nuevamente, esto es para recordarles de que el sacrificio que ellos han hecho por nosotros, los que vivimos aquí en Estados Unidos, aunque yo no sea nacido de acá, yo vine a los 21 años de edad, pero estoy básicamente disfrutando de la libertad por la que nuestros héroes caídos han peleado aquí en Estados Unidos y en otros países. Quiero también reconocer que muchos países hispanos han venido a luchar con los Estados Unidos para poder lograr esa meta. También hay soldados que han muerto en nuestros países latinos. Nuevamente, muchas gracias por el sacrificio que han hecho a esas familias que han sobrevivido, que las han dejado atrás. Les damos nuestro apoyo en cualquier manera que nosotros podamos, ya sea por donaciones o a través de asistencia para las familias que quedan sobreviviendo de los soldados caídos. Espero este video les haya gustado. Si les gustó, denme un thumbs up. Si tienen alguna pregunta, sugerencia, déjalo en la sección abajo de este video. No olviden de suscribirse si les gusta el contenido de este canal y activar la campanita para que reciban el próximo video. Y nos vemos en el próximo video.